Here we are. Here we are. Rico, he forgot the grease in his hair. He ain't that suave right now. But we are in the truck trying to get to Bakersfield for tomorrow for the Pink Widow's behind us. I don't know if you can see. The Pink Widow's back there. The crappy thing is that there's a high possibility that it's going to rain in Bakersfield. So we don't even know if we could.
We're so desperate to go to the track and run these stands that we're taking a 4-hour drive to California so we can try to make a pass.
With rain
with the rain forecasted. Even though we know it's going to rain, but
yeah, it's
supposed to not rain for like a good 4 hours, and we're hoping that 4 hours.
I don't even know that the freaking track will be dry.
Yeah, dude.
But we're doing this for you.
And they haven't canceled it yet, so for sure.
They don't want to cancel. They want money.
Chris had to poop so bad.
Stop. That's what I get for drinking coffee at like 12 o'clock in the morning.
That's what you get for drinking like a freaking 16 ounces of coffee.
After eating carne asada all day.
Yeah. So we might be getting about 5 hours of sleep. It's like 3 in the morning right now. And we're in like a super shady days in. But yeah. I don't even feel safe like sleeping in the beds, but we'll see.
All right, well, here we are.
We made it.
We made it. We are here
and,
without our umbrellas.
Without umbrellas, and of course it's raining.
Of course. Look at this thing. Oh.
Here we are, Bakersfield. We pull up to the track. It's soggy. It's just raining everywhere. The morning of, it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, and it is just, there's not a sun drop coming through the sky. These clouds are just horrid. They're dark gray. It's miserable. It's just raining like crazy. So for at least an hour, we're sitting in the cars just hating life.
This is going to be one of our few opportunities to race, because the next track event is in September in Vegas. So, we went and, looked at the forecast, the event wasn't canceled, and, right when we get there, it's pouring rain. And then I'm just like, ugh, what a waste of 5 hours of driving.
All right, y'all, we got sunlight.
Yes, sir. We're going to try. Light speed when the tech in, so I figured.
Try it.
Let's get her
We're
off.
here. Might as well.
Get out the picture, Chris. See, every time we go to Cali, we get love.
I know, dude. It's each
I
Love to with them and just ride with them.
I'm in the Widow in California with sunlight.
Woo, woo, woo. Please dry up. We got to, man.
Support, bro. We gotta come out here, rain or shine.
Rain or shine. Mike, man, what's up? What's your name?
Derek.
Derek, nice to meet you.
Your name?
Carlos, brother.
Awesome.
I saw this video so many times.
That's awesome, bro.
Holy shit.
Sick. Check it
Does
out.
it look better or worse than you saw on the...
No, be honest.
Just be honest, bro. What do you
Right
think?
now it's pretty bad.
It's pretty bad, right? People are like, man,
They think it's better than it is.
I was like,
when
nah,
they see
bro.
it In
Will it
the
all stay in
video.
one piece if it gets down to the end of the track?
Oh,
Every time.
bro.
Time? All right.
Bro.
Check card?
Dude.
What's going on, man? Mike,
going on,
nice
dude?
to meet you, brother.
What's up, man, Chris?
What's up, little man?
Dude, so you guys hit 10 yet?
Hi, Aiden.
Trying to do it right now. All right, we got sunshine. We got homies out here. Gus Garage out, helping with the widow. All right, guys, how do you feel?
Good, anxious. Trying to beat this cloud.
So we got this cloud coming.
I feel like we're gonna hit a 10.
Feel like I'm gonna hit a 10?
Oh, the weather's phenomenal right now. It's really good.
It's nice.
And the
Just
car's working.
Just as long as it stays with no rain, we'll be all right.
Yeah.
I don't care if it gets cold, sloppy, all that.
no rain.
No rain, and we're gonna hit these 10s.
Send it. Are you really gonna put it at 7? I need you to do it, brother.
It's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen.
We have to. We're being
chased out.
Chased out by the clouds. All right, we out here. We get like one run, maybe. But it doesn't look like super duper packed because who wants to run and race?
A lot of people left already.
A lot of people
It was
left.
raining.
So we'll see what we got. So we got a good, nice small cast of people.
Cleared up. They said they were cleaning up the track. We go over. We see that they're torching it down and everything. They finally tell us, okay, guys, you got 15 minutes. We're going to try to get them all through. And we're like, what? We're getting a chance? All right, cool. Everybody started leaving right before this. So we were like, okay, cool. Get in the Widow. We turn it on. We get ready to go. We get out there, line it up, and we're probably 7 lines full of cars, you know. Everybody's trying to get a run in while it's sunny. And as we're sitting in the line, there's guys going, and it just starts dripping rain. I'm like, oh shit. I'm in the car, and I'm like, you know, some of the guys are like, oh dude, it's raining, they're gonna shut it down, take it off. And I'm like, dude, I'm not moving from this spot until we get a shot or everybody leaves. I'll be the last one here. We gotta hit this run, you know?
The rain came, no run. The rain came, no
Dude, it
run.
was just teasing us. Literally, the rain just came.
Rain came.
What they say, shut it?
Yeah, shut down.
For like now or for like good?
Probably regret it.
So finally, the lane next to us goes, and we're up next, and I see everybody walking back towards us, and I'm like, no, what's going on? So the rain, I guess, was like too much for the guys up there, and they canceled it, right? So we're like bummed, and I'm just sitting in the car just pissed. I'm like, this sucks. We came all the way out here for nothing. Literally, the last time we went to Sacktown, we blew it up. So it's like, shit, you know, like another trip wasted, and it's like 5 hours driving. It just sucks to come out all this way and not be able to get a run. So I was just like bummed. And then all of a sudden, I hear the cars turn back on, and they start running them again. Like the rain stopped, and I was like, oh shit, we got a chance, you know? And sure shit, we made it to the front.
Widow's here. Yeah.
And we get up there, and there's no prep on the track. They had that. I don't think they prepped the track. I think they just dried it off. And I was watching everybody, and everybody was spinning out the hole. But like I said, we were determined, so checked tire pressure, got it down to like 7 psi, and ran it, sent it. And
Get a run, baby. Come on. One run.
But it's still trickling down, okay? And then Carlos goes and hits a beautiful burnout. Like this is like different. Obviously, I've seen the car run many times, and I kind of judge it. You kind of judge it by how it sounds, and you kind of judge it by like the burnout, and it it was smoking, the tires good, and we're ready. Crowds all hype. People knew what the Pink Widow was. People were calling it Pink Widow.
Got to the line, I loaded her up. We did a crazy burnout, as you'll see on the video. She was on a mission.
Let's go!
Stage her up, get to the light. I'm thinking, this thing's gonna eat. We're gonna tear this track up. Because, she felt good in the burnout. She felt good. We got the new tune in there, the E85. It's like, it's got to run better. It felt better, that we know what she makes now. So it's like, okay, here we go. And it's a B20. And we're in Cali. It's just like everything's on our side, except for the weather, obviously. So I load her up, my normal stage on the Widow. Done it a million times. And drop the clutch, right? I start to disengage the clutch. Green light comes on. Drop the e-brake, and she just like starts to like shimmy, like she wants to like break loose. So I know I'm losing traction, So I just hold the clutch like midway. I'm trying to like hold it out as long as I can through first gear.
Then as he went down the track, I noticed that it was sway, like it broke loose. Like you could see the car sway from left to right.
Second, spun the top of second. I shift into third gear, and it just yanks her. You know, she goes almost to the wall. So I'm like, it's just spun. It literally just, and I'm like, oh shit. And then it caught, so I power shifted it. You know, third into fourth. I gave it all she had all the way to the top. Finished the pass. At this point, I don't know the time, but I know that I'm at the end of the track and I can't stop the thing. It's on skinnies. It's so wet on the track. The conditions are so horrible that I'm just like sitting there and the ass end is just jumping and sliding.
Spun in second?
Spun hard in second. She just went,
Yeah, I saw you.
and then she gripped. Spun so hard.
What would you get? What 60 foot?
1.7 spun.
1.7 spun.
Yeah, we would have had it.
Too much power, bro.
No,
Sorry.
it's not that. It's rain.
Yeah.
It's wet. It's all wet, dude.
Tires are dirty, maybe.
Yeah, 1.7, 60 foot. We got 11.30, 126.
Spin, 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 bro.
Spin cycle, bro.
Was she good other than that?
Yeah, dude, she was
Eating?
mission.
Dude, that burnout, like,
She was
damn.
on a mission.
She was on a mission. Felt good? Let me check the
She turned. She's hurt though.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, she's hurt.
She's hurt?
No way.
She's hurt.
Get out of here. Oh.
Yeah, she's hurt.
She's hurt already?
I don't know.
All right, guys, got rained out. Pretty much Pink Widow was the last one to run before it started raining, but spinning because of the wet track, we got 11.3 with literally like a wet track from the rain. So as you guys can see, it's raining. We don't think there's gonna be another run, honestly. I think it's just literally about time for us to go home. All right, we are checking after the fact of the Widow after our run in the rain.
After our first journey of this year,
We just want to see if it's hurt or not. So
Carlos said it made some weird noise, and it did shut off when I got back to the pit. So
he said it shut off after the run was done. So
and it kind of sounded weak like the last time.
like when we started it. So we want to make sure that 11.3 run, it overboosted, it boost creeped, it boosted
Just a little bit more.
29 pounds of boost. So we want to see if the car is okay. So let's check this pressure check real quick. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Number 1.
No, this is actually number 2.
Okay.
This is number 3.
Okay. So that one's a little bit like 175.
Well, the compression tester is just a teeny bit off, but they're pretty much the same.
Hey, it's still good. It's not like it's like 80.
Yeah, it's they're still reading good. Now let's see cylinder number 1.
Come on, cylinder number 1.
So we just did
Hold
that.
on. Carlos is here. Can we bring him in?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, come here, fool. Hey, come here, fool.
Hey, I'll be right there.
No, you gotta come right now, Ese.
Hey, I'll be right there, fool. I gotta go around.
No, I opened the door for you, Ese.
You gonna let me in?
What up?
Hey, what up, fool?
Hey, what up,
Hey, it's
Vato?
cool if I come in?
Yeah, fool. Come on in.
Okay, fool.
Yo, we're gonna check out if the Widow's okay. We got one less cylinder left.
No, fool.
Huh?
Oh,
With
how we
compression?
doing so far?
Yo, three out of 4, Ese.
Are we good?
We got one more, Ese.
Oh shit, son.
We got
a
one.
shootout to go to, SA.
Got one more. All right, hold this.
I hold.
All right, this is gonna dictate if the motor is hurt.
Bum 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 bum.
You ready?
Bum 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 bum.
All
Let's get it, Essay.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes!
She's good, man. She's ready to go again. She's not hurt. We did a good job. Mike tuned it to the best of his ability. Being his first dyno, it's crazy that we did what we did with the times that we did, the power that we had. It's astonishing, really. I mean, to get where we've gotten with what we've got. I mean, it's pretty crazy. Please like, please subscribe. Let us know on the next one. We'll see you out there.